Before connecting the CarPlay box, the music was playing directly from the phone. We will now connect the CarPlay box to the iPhone. The setup process is super simple. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are both turned on. Then pair it with the CarPlay box's Bluetooth name. And just like that, the CarPlay box is connected. The phone is currently displaying itself as a playback source. Since we haven't started playing music on the car's original system yet, it won't automatically switch to the CarPlay source right away. Look, now it's automatically switched to the CarPlay source. Our CarPlay box fully supports in-car music playback.